This explains the process of preparing and printing the TDS Challan, Form 281, for making payment over the counter to the bank. Click on Utilities. Click on Print Challan 281. Select the details, that is, financial year, company name, form number, section, type of payment, and minor head. The payment details, comprising of the tax to be paid and other related information, has to be entered. The payment info, comprising of the check or cash details, needs to be entered. Once information is provided correctly, click on Print. The PDF of the filled-up challan is displayed. Click on Print icon to print the challans. Close the PDF display window. Click on Cancel. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.